Excel in your field, the path to mastery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase that's all about achieving success and mastery. Excel in your field. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves learning, understanding this phrase can be a game changer. Let's explore what it means to excel in your field and how you can apply this to your own journey towards excellence. Excel in your field is a phrase that encourages individuals to achieve a high level of skill or knowledge in a particular area or profession. To excel means to be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. Your field refers to your area of expertise, study, or work. Together, this phrase is a call to action to become among the best in whatever you do. Excelling in your field is important for several reasons. It can lead to greater job satisfaction, higher earning potential, and the ability to influence and inspire others. Excellence sets you apart in a competitive world, opening doors to new opportunities and challenges. It's not just about personal achievement but also about contributing to your community and making a difference in your chosen area. Excelling in your field requires dedication, hard work, and a strategic approach. Here are some key strategies. 1. Continuous learning. Stay curious and committed to learning. Whether it's through formal education, self-study, or practical experience, never stop expanding your knowledge. 2. Practice and application. Theory is important, but practical application is crucial. Apply what you learn through practice, projects, or in your job to hone your skills. 3. Seek feedback. Feedback is invaluable for improvement. Seek constructive criticism from peers, mentors, or supervisors and use it to refine your skills. 4. Networking. Build relationships with others in your field. Networking can provide opportunities, insights, and support as you strive for excellence. 5. Set goals. Define clear, achievable goals for your growth. Goals give you direction and help measure your progress. Excelling in your field is a journey of continuous growth and dedication. It's about pushing the boundaries of what you know and can do, striving for mastery, and making a meaningful impact. Remember, excellence is not a destination but a way of being. We hope this video inspires you to take your skills to the next level. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, strive to excel in your field. Thank you for watching.